Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the top student of the 2023 graduating class of the Papine High School in St. Andrew is encouraging her peers to pursue a career in agriculture like she has. With that story, here's Kayan Morgan.
Rihanna Simpson is what you'd call the creme de la creme of her graduating class. One of this year's valedictorians of the Papine High School, the 16-year-old cop awards in biology, theater arts, social studies, agricultural science, and chemistry. But of all subject areas that she excelled in, agriculture is her favorite.
Agriculture is not just about farming, it's more than that. I enjoy doing it, I enjoy working. Me as a type of girl, I like working in the field and them things.
Rihanna, who also got a scholarship to attend the College of Agriculture, Science and Education case, debunked stereotypes about the profession.
Being in the field is not just about going in the dirt. You have other things to do. You can still do agriculture and even sit in the office and so forth. So it's not about getting your nails dirty. And even if I want to get my nails dirty, I can and I will. And it's not all about just being pretty. After I done working, I can pretty about myself.
Rihanna also stole the show when she copped the Principal's Award, Most Outstanding Academic Award, and ranked first in the 4-H Club.
I can't even use the word proud right now. I'm over excited, I'm happy. I worked for it and I achieved it and I got it. I didn't believe I would reach this far in life, but I did and I'm so proud of myself.
Rihanna, who is said to come from humble beginnings, says that she couldn't have done it without her support system, her teachers and her parents.
From she entered Papine, I realized that she was focused and she did not, despite, challenges, she have a lot of challenges, and despite the challenge, she did not let that stop her from fulfilling her dream.
Children have a choice and they decide what they want to do. So I would never discourage her. If that is where her heart is, then that's where she should be. Because remember, we have to have farmers. Without farmers, we wouldn't have food. So we have to have doctors and so on. So it's not all about the bookwork alone. You have to have other things.
Sometimes you're overwhelmed and stuff work and them still a push you, but at the end of the day, for your own benefit, of your own achievements, and at the end of the day, I'm glad they pushed me that hard because I would have been where I am today.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.